I am Nicole Shore. I go by Nikki. I am married, and we have uh, five kids. I had one that passed away. My husband and I are married to each other for our second marriages, and so we had our children apart. He has three, and they're all adult children, and I had three. One passed away in the middle of my other two. One's an adult, and one just barely adult. She's 18. This is her last year in the house. She graduates in May, and she gets married in June. So we're busy right now. I've been working at an elementary school in Pleasanton, Kansas. It's very rural, and I love it. I'm so excited about becoming a teacher. Um, I've got six dogs. I right now my life has been going to school, church, and work, of course. Um, Work has been crazy this year because we have a new. I have a new sped boss, and things are just kind of changing and weird. They seem like they've been weird for quite a few years, even before COVID, but this is the weirdest one yet. When everything's supposed to be normal and it's not even getting close. So, um, I have a bachelor's degree in accounting. I got that in my 30s as a single mom, thinking that I would be in the business world and be able to make good money for my kids, and I've never used it. Um, and so then when we moved away from the city, we lived up in the Kansas City area. We moved to Pleasanton, and I wanted a job to be close to the same schedule as my daughter. And after a year or two, I got a job at our school as a para. And that reminded me of the love that I had for teaching when I was in high school. I totally forgot about it. And God kind of reminded me of it right before COVID, or right as COVID hit. And so everything was kind of confusing at that time. So I waited about another year to start to get my master's um, in elementary education. So that way I can teach. So they're already asking me to teach next year, but I have my student teaching next fall, and I take my praxis tests in the summer. So, we'll see what happens. I don't know. Everything's different right now. So I look forward to getting to know all of you guys. And I think I saw a few new faces, and a couple I have seen before. Um, have a good semester. Bye.